In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a polished video you can download and share. First, open Canva on your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. On the left-hand panel, click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps its powerful add-ons and AI tools. In the search bar at the top of the Apps section, type Magic Media. This is Canva's suite of AI features that can generate images and videos from text. From the Magic Media options, select Text to Video. This opens a simple workspace with a text box where you'll describe the video you want Canva to create. Take a moment to write a clear, specific prompt. Describe the subject, the setting, the mood, and any key actions. For example, you might specify a calm, nature-inspired background with soft transitions and a modern, minimal look. The more precise you are, the closer Canva can match your vision. Avoid including any private or sensitive information in your prompt. If a video style menu is available, choose the one that best matches your intent, such as cinematic, documentary, or social-friendly. Styles can influence framing, transitions, and overall pacing, so pick what suits your project. Now click Generate Video. Canva will start processing your request. This may take a moment, depending on your prompt and your connection, so let it finish creating the clip. When the video appears, drag it onto your canvas. This places the generated video into your design, where you can resize it, reposition it, or trim the edges to adjust timing. Next, refine your project. Add or edit text for titles, captions, or calls to action. Choose fonts and colors that are readable and consistent with your brand. Bring in elements like shapes, icons, or overlays to emphasize key points. If you want music, open Canva's audio library and choose a track that matches the tone of your video, then adjust the volume so it complements the visuals without overpowering any on-screen text. When you're happy with the result, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. From the format options, select MP4 video. MP4 is widely compatible and great for sharing across platforms. Finally, click Download. Canva will render your video and save it to your device, ready to post, present, or send. That's it. You've just used Canva's AI video generator to turn a simple prompt into a finished, downloadable video.